Hello guys, welcome to Larry Discover channel. In this travel guide and review video, I will tell you all the information you need to know about 4-island tour from Koh Lanta. Welcome to Larry Discover Thailand series. I have traveled all over Thailand for 12 months, and in this Thailand travel guide series, we will feed monkeys, swim with sharks, and of course, we will get to know the elephants, enjoy the beaches, hike mountains. We will also join the biggest water fight in the world. If you want to see all these and more, make sure you subscribe now and ring the bell to discover all about Thailand for free. 4-island tour is the top attraction in Koh Lanta, and for a good reason. This attraction is pretty popular because of snorkeling, Emerald Cave, and exploring 3 different islands. It's so popular that you can find a ticket from any travel agent. You can simply go and they will give you 3 different options such as speedboat or long-tail boat. Majority of the routes are similar for both of them. There is only 1 or 2 difference. So the Koh Nai, Koh Chak and Koh Muk, which is where the Emerald Cave is, where both of the tour will go. If you choose speedboat, they will tend to go Koh Karadan instead of Koh Ma, where the long-tail boat will go. And also there will be a little bit price difference. When I checked the flyers, the speedboat price was 1,400 baht per person, and the long tail was 1,000 baht per person. But when I went to travel agent and I negotiated for a little bit discount, we end up getting 600 baht ticket for long tail boat, and we also had the option for 1,100 for the speedboat. It's depending on which one you prefer. Obviously, speedboat will be faster, so you will have more time to spend in the islands, and also it will be a bit more comfortable, I believe, compared to the long tail boat. The long tail boat tour we took, it was around from 8 in the morning till 4 in the evening. There was around 25 people in the long tail boat together with us. So around 8 in the morning, the transportation come and pick us up and take us to the old town where the pier is. From there, we wait for everybody else to gather together. They write down our names, I think for security purposes, and then they take us to the long tail. From there, our tour has started. So the island structure I will talk is what I personally experienced. It might be different for the other person because on the flyer it was different than what we followed as a structure. The first place we went was Koh Nai. We spent around 1 hour there. It's a beautiful beach. A little bit in the distance of the beach, as you go a bit deeper, there's really nice corals, plenty of fish. So it's a really nice place for snorkeling as well. Tour also supply us with the snorkeling gear. So if you don't have to worry. There is plenty of snorkeling gear there to pick up. So once the boat come close to the beach, we jump off, we chill out, we go snorkeling. Once we finish snorkeling, there was food ready. We eat our food in the Koh Nai beach and then go back to the boat. After that, they take us to the second island, which was Koh Chak. To be quite honest, we didn't spend too much time there and we didn't get onto the island. The boat just stopped around the island. We jump off the boat, snorkel a little bit, around 25 minutes. The snorkeling here was okay. I think the snorkeling was better in the first island, which is Koh Nai. And we spent around 25 minutes here. And then we come back to the boat and go to the next island. The third island that we stopped was Koh Vian. We meant to go to Koh Ma, but I think there was a different problem. I don't know exactly what was the reason. We went to Koh Vian and we repeat exactly the same thing that we did in the second island. So we didn't get on the island. We just jumped off the boat, snorkel 25 minutes, and then continue on our way. And then the fourth location that we arrived is actually the highlight of the whole tour. We come to Koh Mak, which is Emerald Cave. It is unbelievable location. So the boat comes there, everybody jumps off the boat. You have to wear a life jacket. I think it's a legal preparation. I don't know why, but everybody had to wear a life jacket. And then you start swimming inside the cave. So when you look outside, it's all mountains with high cliffs. So you start swimming under the caves and it gets really dark. And then after swimming like 2-3 minutes, you end up going inside the mountain. There is a really small beach inside, and the beach covered by the really high mountains, 360 degrees. So the only entrance and the exit point is that cave where you will have to swim inside. So that was really, really nice place to visit. I definitely have a good time, and it's definitely the highlight of this trip. So it was really nice, and it was really exciting swimming in this dark cave. You don't see anything. It's only the guide has a light just showing you kind of the what direction to go and where is the rock so you don't hit your head. And it was definitely really nice experience. After the Emerald Cave, we come back to the boat and they start driving us back to the pier. On the way, they give us fruits There was plenty of fruit to go around. There was watermelons and pineapples. And on the way back, they didn't go back to the pier where we started. They said it's wavy and they take us to a different beach, but this beach was pretty rocky and some people I think injured their feet because of that. They warn you to wear shoes, but the flip-flops wasn't that comfortable, and that was a bit negative side of it. I don't know if it was really wavy or if it was just an excuse for them to park their boat and get rid of the people there. But anyway, once we get out of the boat, there was transportation waiting for us that drive us back to the hotel, and that was our end of the day. For me, if I look at the whole general picture, definitely the highlight for me was the Emerald Cave, and the second of all was the Koh beach. It's really nice beach and really nice snorkeling. More than the snorkeling, the landscape of the beach there, under the water beach, was amazing. Suddenly the corals are coming and then suddenly it goes sharp and it looks like where you will see in the Discovery Channel going to some amazing places. It looked beautiful. The other two stops wasn't that interesting for me. We didn't really spend too much time. It was just 25 minutes and there wasn't that much interesting. There wasn't that many fish. There wasn't that many nice corals. It was just nice stops along the way. There are also some negative things that I think I need to mention for you guys. So as we choose the long-tail boat, as we were driving to the main island, there is a big distance on the way and lots of water was coming inside the boat. So if you have any valuable item like telephone or camera, you might want to get a waterproof bag to protect it. Also, the boat was around 25 people, as I mentioned, and there wasn't enough shade for everybody, which you might think it's a good thing as a holiday, but you're spending all day under the sun and it burns. So that's also can be a negative thing. There is only half of the boat was in the shade. The other half, the people had to spend all day under the sun, which can be a negative thing. And also the last thing, as I mentioned previously, the two stops that we did, second stop and the third stop, I just felt like they just stopped there to be able to say that it's a 4-island tour. There wasn't that much interesting things going on in these two stops. When I look at the general picture, it's suitable for families, for young people, for couples. It's definitely a nice day out. And when you look at the price as well, it's definitely worth visiting. We only pay 600 baht per person and it's an all-day tour going 4 different islands, including food and transportation. It's definitely worth the money. And that's why I want to give this tour 5 out of 5. It's the first time I give a tour 5 out of 5, but generally considering the price and when you get out of it, and especially a place like Emerald Cave, all this package, definitely 5 out of 5. And also the staff, the operation was really friendly. They were speaking good English and it was positive atmosphere. So as a general, I definitely give this attraction 5 out of 5. About this tour, if you want to find out more information, you can write down in the comments below and I will try to respond to you as soon as possible. And if you're planning to visit Koh Lanta, I make different review videos and also vlog videos. You can check them out to find out more information. And in the meantime, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm new to YouTube and I'm trying to reach 1,000 people. So I would really appreciate it if you click that subscription button. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care.